Hi everyone, Brock Ryder here from senseFly in our Swiss production centre. I'm here to tell you about our great new offer for all our senseFly customers. As part of our senseFly 10-year anniversary trade-in program, we're making it easier and more affordable than ever for our valued customers to upgrade to our flagship model, the eBee. Right now, you can trade in any of your old senseFly drones and get up to $6,500 US, that's 5,800 euro, toward the cost of a new eBee or eBee with RTK and Area X sensor. And there are many reasons to upgrade. The eBee can fly up to 59 minutes in a single flight, and that flight endurance can be expanded up to 90 minutes with its unique endurance extension. Longer flight times mean more area covered, making the eBee an ideal choice for any mapping missions large and small. The eBee is the most versatile drone we have ever produced. Its swappable payload system means you always have the right camera for the right job. The eBee is also the only drone that's compatible with our full range of drone mapping payloads, everything from the Area X, the Duet T, our thermal camera, to multispectral options such as the MicroSense Red Edge MX. It's even backwards compatible with our older Soda, Corridor and multispectral cameras. Last but not least, with the eBee, you also get access to the latest version of Emotion software, as well as all the latest monthly updates. We know there are many of you still flying strong with our previous models, and we love that. But if you're considering upgrading, then you really need to take advantage of this limited time offer now. To learn more, please contact your local authorized senseFly dealer today. Let's get flying.